Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today, we're going to see what happens when you take max odds. We'll be playing the pass line only with max odds. Normally, I use Las Vegas odds, 3, 4, 5, but today we'll be doing 10 times odds. So that'll be a $250 odds bet. And let's see what happens. Let's see if 10 times odds is actually great to play max bet. So pass line with odds, fantastic. We've done enough here at Craps University to understand the ins and outs. So I don't really need to go through the detail of this, but $25 table. Let's see how this works. And I'll put max odds, but I always build up to max odds. So let's go. $25 pass line. We're coming out. And 9. Center field 9. We're on. And that is a $250 max odds bet behind the pass line. And we're rolling. And 5. No field 5. And 9. There it is. Bright and early. 1-1. And 375, 250 pays 375 on a 9. And we will pick that up and rack it. You know what? I paid myself out of my own rack, and we're not going to do that. We'll pay ourselves out of the bank and then pick it up. How about that? And we are back in business. And there's the 375. And yep, that's what it should look like. All right. Same shooter coming out. And 8. Again, 10 times odds. And we're looking for an 8. 4 for the hardway. And 7. 7 out. All right. And we're out. And we're still up. Nothing to worry about. And we're coming out. And 4 for the hard way again. And here we go. Dipping into our bankroll for that 4. Looking for a 4. And 8. And 5. And 6 the hard way. And 7 out. All right, shooter number 3. We're off, we're coming out. And 12. 12 craps. That's a loss for the pass line. And throw another one down. And 8. $250. 10 times odds. We're on the 8. And we're rolling. And 6. Seven. We're off. We're back on the pass line, and we're looking for a number coming out. And 7. Pay the line. And 8. Again, $250. And 3. 3 craps. Nothing happening. And 7. All right, last shooter. We're off. We'll drop that pass line. And 7. That paid the line. And 3 craps. Take the line. And 8. $250. And 3 craps, nothing happening. And 6. And 7. All right. Well, we started off like on fire. All right, 13, 14, 15, 25. We are down 975. Ouch. So 975, right? So here's some key takeaways. What max odds does is it slashes the house edge, but doesn't remove the variance. That 7 is still going to show up, and it did for us today. Always size odds to what your bankroll is. Discipline and a clear stop loss will keep you in the game. And don't chase max odds if you can't afford the swings. So this could have been a lower swing, but this is a demo and we did 5 shooters, and that's how fast you can lose it. Those 5 shooters could have hit multiple points each, and then we'd all be happy. So we never know. So here's a tip. If you're new to multi-unit odds, start at maybe 3 times or 4 times or whatever you feel comfortable at, and then work your way up to 10. You might want to pair that with some other bets. If your other bets are crushing it, then you can add to your odds at any time during the roll. So that's it for max odds. This is actually the most I've ever lost in a session on YouTube. So a lot of people, I wonder if they're only showing winning all the time, but this is the real deal. $9.75 down. If you can't afford to lose it, don't bet it. All right, I appreciate everybody watching, and let's see some comments around max odds, and let's see where everybody stands and how they feel about max odds. All right, thanks for watching. Play smart and stay sharp.